welcome to my channel. My name is Tiana. In this video, I'm going to briefly discuss how to remove negative accounts and basic inquiries off of your credit report. So first, you want to be sure to add a freeze to your credit report. My phone's falling. Okay, there we are. One, for example, is LexisNexis. There are a few others. Once you call to confirm or get an email or something in the mail verifying that a freeze has been placed, your next step is to submit a 609 letter to all 3 credit bureaus. What is a 609 letter, you might ask? It's basically a credit repair method that is used to remove incorrect information, inquiries, and negative entries off of your credit report. It can be researched, you can create it yourself, or you can purchase it directly through me.